I bought one piece from the bazaar, and it turned to be 1,000 when I got home. Guess what is it? Of course. Hi, I am Mehmet from Söke. Söke is a very western region of our country, and it is by the Aegean Sea. We are producing, packing, and exporting fresh and organic pomegranates. Here is a pomegranate orchard of my business partner, Mr. Barış Kocagöz. He is also a friend of mine since 30 years, and my class friend from agricultural college. The trees are 5 years old, and this year we could harvest around 100 tons of pomegranates, so that you can enjoy your delicious poms and buy more and eat more this very healthy and I think holy fruit.